Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be draping 9 different sarees in 9 different colors and in 9 different styles, representing 9 colors of Navratri. Day 1 is the color yellow and devoted to Ma Shailaputri. I'm wearing a Kanjivaram semi-silk saree in yellow and purple color combination, and I've draped it in Maharashtrian style, dhoti style, and I have accessorized with gold jewelry, the black beads which is typical of Maharashtrian traditional look, nut, bangles and a juda. I'll walk and show my look. Day 2 of Navratri, the color is green, devoted to Ma Brahmacharini. I am wearing a green and maroon color combination Banarasi Patu sari. I am wearing it in Gujarati style, and I have accessorized with gold jewelry and matching bangles and flower and juda. I'm going to walk and show you. Day 3 of Navratri, the color is grey, devoted to Ma Chandraghanta. I am wearing a grey and black combination soft silk sari. I am wearing it in Kurgi style, which is a style of Karnataka state of India. And I am accessorized with silver jewelry, bangles, braid and flower. The style of this sari is the pleats are on the back, unlike the other saris where we usually pleat in front. I'm going to walk and show you my look. Day 4 of Navratri, the color is orange. I'm wearing a Upada Patu sari in Rajasthani style. This day is devoted to Ma Kushmanda, and this sari is in orange and pink color combination, and there is painting work all over the sari, and I'm wearing it in Rajasthani style, and I have accessorized with typical Rajasthani jewelry such as mang, tika, necklace, the bangles which are like bride and bridegroom, as you can see on them, typical of Rajasthani, and the pallu on the top. I'm going to walk and show you my look. Day 5 of Navratri, the color is white, representing Ma Skandamata. I am wearing a half white and red combination Paithani silk sari. I have draped it in Bengali style. This is the typical color combination Bengalians use, especially during Durga Mata Puja time. So I am wearing this combination. I have accessorized with pearl and gold jewelry. I am going to walk and show. Day 6 of Navratri, devoted to Ma Katyayani. The color is red. I am wearing a red Kanjivaram silk sari with purple color combination in the border, and I have draped it in lehenga style, and I have accessorized with Guttapusalu gold jewelry, a braid and bangles. I'm going to walk and show you my look. Day 7 of Navratri, the color is royal blue. I am wearing a Gadwal Pattu sari in royal blue and pink color combination. I'm wearing it in South Indian style, that's Telugu style, Andhra or Telangana style. And this sari has all the work on it. The dancing girls, it's also there on the pallu, as you can see. And I've accessorized with antique jewelry and also hair accessories. I'm going to walk and show you. What we call Jada Gantalu. This is a typical Telugu style. Day 8 devoted to Ma Mahagauri. The color is pink. I am wearing an Uppada Pattu sari in pink and blue color combination. I am wearing it in a gown style with a flower. And I've accessorized with stone jewelry, a waist belt, and I braided my hair in a different style. I'm going to walk and show you my look. Day 9 of Navratri, last day. The color is purple, devoted to Ma Siddhidatri. I'm wearing a Kanjivaram silk sari in purple and blue color combination. I have draped it in mermaid style, like a fish style. I've accessorized with the gold jewelry, stone jewelry, and bangles, a waist chain, and a hairstyle. I'm going to walk and show you my look. So friends, these were the 9 colors of Navratri. I had a wonderful time collecting my saris and organizing, thinking, planning, and also learning how to drape these different kind of saris and videographing and photographing. I hope you like my video. If you do, please give me a like and do comment which sari style you like the most. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great festive season. Bye.